Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have something super special. This one is advanced tutorial. So we're pretty much going to mix two songs of completely different BPMs, so two completely different speeds. And essentially what we're gonna do is in the headphones, listening to the cadence and the rhythm of song 2, and then create that cadence and rhythm in song 1 before we bring song 2 into it. So
let's get started.
So song 1 is a slow song, 102 BPM. This song is 126 BPM. Loop created, loop tightened. And essentially he's going to use a filter to create the cadence he's already heard in track 2. So these are the sounds in deck 2. Tightening, opening the loop over there, just making it a bit more dynamic, a bit more creative. And by the way, the track 2, we jumped to a clean part of the breakdown where it's simple sounds. We don't want to do this where it's too busy like in the chorus, because pretty much you have to recreate those sounds by hand, in this case by the filter. As you can see, having fun with it, getting creative with it. To the drop of this one, we get rid of the first track completely. Or keep going. Nice. So guys, that is super advanced, but if you want to take your DJing to the next level, this is something cool you can try yourself. Okay, and now we have another crazy approach. So this is similar. We have two different speeds, 125 BPM on deck 1, and we have 140 BPM on deck 2. This is another creative way we can mix. So Ilya, why don't you show us how?
Let's go. I know you know this track.
Essentially, similarly, he's going to create a loop over here, tighten the loop. Then the rest is a secret, just wait. There's a loop. Tight, tight. Now you need to do a tiny bit of math. He's going to adjust the tempo, and now the speed is exactly half on deck 1. So half of 140 over here. So it's essentially the same BPM. And then as track 2 builds up, get creative with it, play with the filter, highlight that first sound, that first track. Normally going 15 to 20 BPM change is not a good idea. It's kind of too big of a jump, but this is a super cool way, two super cool ways you could do that. So let us know, would you try any of these methods? And if you do, why don't you show us?
Nice.
All right, that's it. Thank you guys. See you next week and have a great week, I guess. Peace.